Welcome back to another edition of the Optimized Weekly Market Recap. I'm David Ferreira, and as always for today's recap, we'll be taking a look at last week's activity in the markets, as well as what we're watching in the week ahead. It was another strong week for North American equity markets as the positive momentum continued. The Nasdaq was the strongest performing index, finishing the week up about 70 basis points. The S&P finished up about 21 basis points. The Dow remained flat, while the TSX finished the week down about 60 basis points. Looking at sector performance, both tech and consumer discretionary were the strongest performing sectors on the week, while energy and consumer staples lagged behind. Looking at the events from this past week, the Bank of Canada made it easy for the markets this week by keeping its policy rate at 5%, in line with market expectations. On the communication front, the bank commented that inflationary pressures are easing, although we are still in a wait-and-see mode, according to the Bank of Canada. The U.S. economy continued to add jobs in November, while the unemployment rate dipped and wage growth held steady. Reports showed labor demand and supply are gradually coming back into better balance, and the service sector also continued to expand, supporting the health of the U.S. labor market. Released at the same time, the household survey painted an even more upbeat picture of the U.S. labor market, with a reported 747,000 increase in employment. This sizable gain translated to a decrease in the unemployment rate to a very healthy 3.7% for the U.S. economy. For the week ahead, all eyes will be on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy meeting, and while the Fed is widely expected to leave the interest rate target unchanged at 5.5% for the third straight meeting, it will still be interesting to see the guidance it offers for the year ahead. In Canada, we'll get a housing market update through the release of November's existing home sales and housing starts, and a few big names to report earnings this week include Oracle, Costco, and Adobe. Certainly no shortage of excitement in the markets last week, with more to come in the week ahead. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.